Goodbye, Summer Triangle. Hello, Orion. Hey there, stargazers. I'm James Albury, director of the Kika Silva Pla Planetarium in Gainesville, Florida.
And I'm Dean Regas, astronomer for the Cincinnati Observatory. We're here to help you find your way around the sky.
Daylight saving time is over, and now you can see the stars earlier at night.
That's right. Sunset times are around 5:30 p.m. and brilliant Venus will greet you as the darkness falls.
But we'd also like you to stay up a little later so you can see both the stars of summer and the constellations of winter. In the west, the stars that lit up our summer vacation and accentuated our 4th of July fireworks, the Summer Triangle, are headed out for the season.
While in the east, the stars of winter will start poking their heads above the horizon. And one guy's wearing a snazzy belt. Well, let's show you. Okay, we've got our sky set up for November 10th, just after sunset facing southwest, where you can't miss Venus blazing away.
Now that it gets dark earlier, you can see Venus, eat a nice dinner, and then go outside for a walk afterward to see some new stars rising. And you'll get to bed relatively early.
Relatively early, but we want to convince you to stay up past 11 p.m. If you join us for some stargazing at that time, you'll see a first quarter moon in the southwest on November 10th. And to the right of that, in the west, you'll see the stars of the Summer Triangle.
These are, in order of brightness, Vega, Altair, and Deneb. And you'll see them in this part of the sky for a few more weeks. Vega is part of the constellation Lyra the Harp,
which looks like a little parallelogram attached to Vega.
Altair is part of the Eagle constellation named Aquila,
which looks like a diamond shape.
And Deneb is the tail of Cygnus the Swan,
which some people also call the Northern Cross.
Each night, these stars will set earlier and earlier, but they will linger in the evening skies through December.
I wish summer would linger through December.
Now, let's face east to preview the stars of winter. Here you'll find 6 of the 20th brightest stars in the sky and the second brightest planet.
That's Jupiter, which is very low in the east-northeast. As you watch, it'll slowly rise with the other stars.
2 stars of similar brightness are just to the left of Jupiter. You might call them twins.
They're Pollux and Castor, stars that mark the heads of the celestial Gemini twins.
Up higher in the east, you'll spot bright white Capella. This is the brightest star in the constellation Auriga the Charioteer.
Over to the right of Capella is a star with an orange tint, embedded in a V shape of fainter stars. This is the bullseye of Taurus the Bull, a star called Aldebaran. But let's zoom into the real sign of the season, the belted one, Orion the Hunter. Do you see him low in the east? Orion is easy to find with his distinctive 3 stars in a row just above the treetops. The belt stars bear the Arabic names Alnitak, Alnilam, and Mintaka.
The belt is definitely cool, but the brighter stars in Orion are great too. The bluer star to the right is called Rigel. That marks the left foot of the mighty Orion. Rigel is one of the absolute brightest stars around. It's really far away as stars go, at almost 800 light years from us.
Then, the star in Orion that is decidedly redder is up and to the left of the belt. This is Betelgeuse, a red supergiant star about 640 light years away. It's easy to remember because it just so happens to mark Orion's armpit. Betelgeuse is one of the largest stars in the galaxy. If it took the place of our sun, Betelgeuse would extend out beyond the orbit of Mars. That means the Earth would orbit inside of it.
Ouch, that would be hot.
So, enjoy the early stargazing this week and look for Venus right after sunset.
Then stay up after 11 p.m. to see the Summer Triangle setting in the west.
While Orion, Gemini, Auriga, and Taurus rise in the east.
It's all there when you keep looking up.